Today lecture I'm going to discuss about how to fix PHP VC runtime 140.dll is missing or not compatible. So if I open this place on this command prompt, writing there PHP, then you can get here PHP warning VC runtime 140.dll is not compatible. Okay, so I'm going to fix this issue. So let's close this one. And first here in Google search box, right there, Microsoft C++ redistribute table. Then you can go on this Microsoft.com site. And if you scroll down, then you can see here this is for 64-bit, 32-bit ARM. So click on this 64-bit file. So here this is now currently downloading VC Redis 64-bit. After that, let's click on this open button and click on this agree and click on install. Here, click on yes button. So this plays Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022 redistributable 64-bit operating system currently installing. So here you can see setup progress. Now this turn here, if you want, then you can restart or let's close. Again opening this place command prompt. And this time if you write PHP, so there would be no any problem if you write PHP -v. So here you can see this PHP or the version that install. So this is how we can fix VC runtime 140.dll or missing. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.